column within a table, a column within a table that contains only one type of information, that is called what? It is called a field, because we know that record is what? It is a complete line. But they are just asking about a column within a table that contain only one type of information, that is called field, because record is a complete line, file is a complete record, जो भी आपके record total save किए हैं, that is called one file, and test is nothing here. So here right answer is field. In field we just store only one kind of information. Suppose that roll number is a field. Roll number is one column name that only stores the roll number of the students. So according to database we will call it field. Next is a collection of related record is known as what? It is known as file. Collection of related record, collection of related field is called record, and collection of related record is called what? That is called file, and collection of file is called what? That is your database. So in second question, a collection of related records is known as what? That is known as a file. Next is here, how much space does the time date type hold in a base? Means जो हमारी time data type है, then how much space it contains? It contains 4 byte. Means if we want to store a time data type, then it contains the space that is 4 byte in a memory. Next is here, what is the output of SQL query? Select 2 multiply by 4. It means that it will give us result 8. 2 multiply by 4, it means that 2 multiply by 4, that is 8. So here right answer is 8. 2 multiply by 4, 8. Here right answer is option number C. Next is here, which of the following does DDL stands for? First option is here, data depleting language, data definition language, data development language, and data language. DDL stands for data definition language. So correct answer will be option C, that is data definition language. Next is here, what does the S in SQL stands for? Yes, my dear students, in SQL, first letter is here S. Then what does S stands for? Is it stands for specific, standard, smart, and structured. We know that SQL stands for structured query language. So S means what? It means that structured. So what will be the right answer here? Option number D. Next is here question number 5. Answer any 5 out of given 6 questions, 1 cross 5. First is here, a set of rules used for communication is called what? That is called process, period, past, or protocol. That is called protocol. A set of rules used for communication is called a protocol. So here right answer will be option B. Next is here, a desk consists of 2 or more local areas network. 2 or more local areas के network किसके अंदर आते हैं बेटा? That is LAN, PAN, WAN, and MAN. So here right answer will be WAN. With the help of WAN, what we can do? We can connect the multiple LANs. So here right answer will be your WAN. With the help of WAN, we can connect multiple Lens networks. So here right answer will be option C, that is when. To use instant messaging software, we must have a valid messaging dash. Means if we want to use instant messaging software, then we must have a messaging page or account or book or copy. We know that if we want to do the instant messaging, we must have a valid messaging account. Means instant messaging means like your Google Talk, your Yahoo Messenger. These are the instant messaging softwares, and for that we must have a valid messaging account. Suppose that if we want to talk in Google Talk, we must have a Gmail account. We don't have a Gmail account, then we are not able to get the benefit of instant messaging software. So if we want to do the instant messaging, we must have a account on that. Next is here, audio and dash conferencing can be done by using Google account. With the help of Google account, audio and video conferencing. ऑडियो एंड वायरस कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग वैसे भी कुछ नहीं होती, ऑडियो एंड कॉन्टेक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कुछ नहीं होती, या तो ऑडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग होती है या फिर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. Audio and video conferencing can be done by using the Google account. So here right answer will be option B. Next is here, the person who create a blog is called what? He is called a blogger, a worker, a writer, or a teacher. We know that the person who create a blog, that is called a blogger. Here, the person who create a blog, that is called blogger. Next is here, COD stands for what? COD stands for cash on delivery, cash on document, card on delivery, and card on demand. We know that COD option we use when we do the online shopping. Means whenever we do online shopping, at that time we use the option COD, and COD stands for cash on delivery. So here A option is the correct answer. Now come to the question answer. Define verbal communication. Verbal communications means what, my dear students? When we share our ideas and thoughts with the help of any language, that is called verbal communication, where we use alphabets and letters and words. It may be language, it may be your English language, it may be your French language. Any language can be become a medium. Verbal communications means where verbally we can communicate our thoughts and ideas with another person. That is called verbal communication. Self-awareness, as the name suggests, self-awareness means know about yourself. What are your good points? What are your weak points? How you can motivate yourself? That is called self-awareness. Means just know about your abilities, what you can do and what you can't do. That is called self-awareness. Next is, how can you create a presentation? If we want to create a presentation, first what we have to do? First we have to open the LibreOffice Impress, and then we just click on File menu. There we find option New. Click on that and then click on Presentation. With the help of these tabs, we can create a new presentation. Next is here, what is the mean by a entrepreneur? Entrepreneur means what? Entrepreneur means a person who want to start his or her business, that is called entrepreneur. And the persons who are ready to take risk, and the person who is a motivated and innovative, that is called a entrepreneur. Or you can say the persons who wants to provide the jobs to the another persons, that is also called a entrepreneur. Next is here, what do you mean by sustainable development? Yes, my dear student, sustainable development. What it mean? It means that without harming the resources for the future generations, use properly the resources. जो भी आपके बेटा resources हैं, उन्हें इस तरीके से यूज करो कि जो फ्यूचर में आने वाली जनरेशंस हैं उनके लिए भी वो रिसोर्सेस बचे रहें या सेफ रहें. दैट इज कॉल्ड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट.